In this video, I'm going to show how ChatGPT can be super powerful in order to perform some actions when it comes to analytics. So in analytics, really the purpose is to be able to analyze data, so to say here based on Matomo analytics in order to take some decisions. And the text decision part is, let's say, the most difficult one. The example I'm going to take today is the one of traffic sources. So to say how to bring some traffic to your website thanks to ChatGPT. So on your website, you have some content which is, let's say, displayed and will be represented over here by the page title. So to say the URL which get executed by the browser of your visitors will end up over here. So as you can see over here in the page title, you get the list of the different topics that you can see. Okay, so that's the thing, and that's already a list that you can provide to ChatGPT. Of course, you need to disclose your token, but that's definitely something that you can do. On the other hand, in ChatGPT, you get what we call plugins. You get the web pilot in order to reach some URL, and you get as well some other plugins. The one I'm choosing over here is named Social Search. So to say, you can have a search such as give me the top 5 topics about Matomo analytics. In the world of I'm gonna put a date in the past of July 2023. The idea is to show you if ChatGPT is able to use the right components. So here this is what is so use here the social search, which was what I was expecting. I hope that it will be about okay. So he's able to go and fetch in the past things about mathematics, so to say, which have been said by others. Here you get the name of the profile. So this topic has been tackled, this topic has been tackled, this topic has been tackled, this topic has been tackled as well, and this one. So mostly topics about comparison. Then you can say to ChatGPT, go on this page. Okay, go on this page. So go on this report and tell me if I tackled any of those 5 topics. Here that's definitely not the best way to do it, because there's an API for this. So normally here, yes, you should be able to use the web pilot. So the other plugin, in order to go and fetch the URL, it should be able to read what's on the page. And normally what I expect is that you will compare it to those 5 topics and say, no, it doesn't talk explicitly about any of those 5 topics, which means that if my website over here was talking about Matomo, we would have expected to see an article about website migration from Google Analytics to Matomo and so on and so forth. It's not the case. So here, okay, so the report from the private Matomo primarily focus on page views, blah, blah, blah. It does not appear to cover any of those 5 topics. Okay, so as a result, okay, so take the style of writing from my website. So here on purpose, I'm going to put my personal website. I just didn't want to disclose my personal data. My token ops, and I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so now it's going to have my writing style and write me the X post, the Twitter, Facebook, and short blog posts about any of those topics. Okay, and here, what am I trying to show and explain is that based on the data that you have on Matomo, you can easily double check that you are not covering those 5 burning topics. And as a result, you can ask to ChatGPT to take your writing style and write about all those 5 news so that you can get content, and then you can in fact answer to, let's say, the expectation of the market. So as you can see here, it's writing in fact the Twitter post, it's writing the Facebook post, it's writing the blog post, and so it's about the first topic, I think, over here. And as a result, you can use those directly on your website, on your social network, in order to stay, let's say, at the same level as your competition, in order as well to have more contents on your website so that search engine can come on it, in order to get more exposure, as well in order to get more networks, more friends. And as you can see, it didn't take much energy. And of course, the idea afterward is to make this even faster and more powerful by having API directly communicating to your X account, to your Facebook account, to your website, so that you don't need to make the copy and paste afterwards.